Hello, Amazon sellers. If you're tired of spending hours manually hunting for keywords, you're going to love what I'm about to show you. This is auto harvesting and is about to change the way you find winning targets for your campaigns. Auto harvesting runs 24/7, constantly analyzing your campaign data to identify search terms and products that are converting, then automatically adds these top performing keywords and product targets to the right ad groups with the correct match types. No more manual keyword research. Turning it on is easy and simple. It literally just takes one click. Just head to Ad Manager, go to the Ad Groups table, and scroll to the CTR column on the right and sort from low to high. Then enable auto harvesting with one click. You could also use bulk actions to activate it for as many ad groups as you want, all at once. Saves you tons of time. Behind the scenes, auto harvesting is continuously matching targets correctly by type and stores all performance data and ad history for your easy review and reporting. Here's the real kicker: it never stops working. Auto harvesting is constantly discovering new opportunities and making sure every dollar goes towards targets with proven conversion potentials. Ready to save time and automate your keyword discovery? Turn on auto harvesting and watch your campaigns optimize themselves. Start your 30-day free trial today. I'll catch you in our next tutorial.